Top 8 Tourist destinations in Italy. One. Rome. Rome, Italy's capital, is a sprawling, cosmopolitan city with nearly 3,000 years of globally influential art, architecture and culture on display. 2. Florence. Florence, capital of Italy's Tuscany region, is home to many masterpieces of Renaissance art and architecture. 3. Venice. Venice, the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region. 4. Lake Garda. Lake Garda, in northern Italy, is known for its crystal-clear water. 5. Milan. Milan, a metropolis in Italy's northern Lombardy region, is a global capital of fashion and design. 6. Naples. Naples, a city in southern Italy, sits on the Bay of Naples. 7. Siena. Siena, a city in central Italy's Tuscany region, is distinguished by its medieval brick buildings. 8. The Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a 50-kilometer stretch of coastline along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, in the Campania region. It's a popular holiday destination. What's your favorite city? Comment below. Please. Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.